so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make muskmelon ice cream. Muskmelon has a lot of health benefits, so definitely a very healthy dessert. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat half cup of milk in a pan. To this add a teaspoon of atta. Mix it continuously and make sure no lumps are formed. In a minute or two, it will start to thicken up. At this stage, off the flame and allow it to cool completely. To a mixie jar, add 2 tablespoons of muskmelon pieces and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Blend this well. Again to this, add the milk mixture and blend it well. Now our muskmelon ice cream base is ready. I've taken an ice cream cup today. Transfer the content to the ice cream cup. Wrap it using a cling wrap and freeze for 8 hours or overnight. It's been 8 hours now, so let's open and check. The muskmelon ice cream is perfectly set, very delicious and healthy dessert recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.